Many interesting Taj Mahal facts and myths have surfaced over the year. But the real history is much more fascinating than any fiction. India's most iconic mausoleum, inspired by love, has awed millions of visitors with its screen beauty. Over 7 million visitors a year come to see the magnificent structure. The Taj Mahal is India's most popular tourist attraction. However, many visitors leave with knowing the real story. So viewer, in today's episode, we roll out 13 interesting facts about India's Taj Mahal that you may not know. Sick with grief, Shah Jahan was first inspired to build the Taj Mahal after his third wife, Mumtaz Mahal, died while giving birth to their 14th child. During British rule in India, the garden was landscaped to look more like Manicourt Lawn in London. The original garden was adorned with lots of roses and daffodils. With construction beginning around 1632 and finishing in 1653, the Taj Mahal took an estimated 22 years to build. Small refinements continued thereafter. Ustad Ahmed Lahori, generally regarded as the chief architect of Taj Mahal, was not Indian. He was a Persian from Iran. Islamic tradition forbids the decoration of grapes, so Shah Jahan and his wife are actually buried in a pencrate beneath the main inner chamber of the Taj Mahal. Construction of the Taj Mahal cost an estimated 32 million Indian rupees, the equivalent of over 1 billion US dollar at the time. The structure on the western side of Taj Mahal is thought to have been used as a guest house. Over 1,000 elephants were used to transport heavy materials and supplies for construction. A total of 28 types of precious and semi-precious jewels are set in the marble. The Turkish come from Tibet and jade come from China. Heavy white marble, the principal building material, was transported from Rajasthan. An estimated 20,000 laborers were recruited from all over the Asia to contribute to the massive project. Remains of their massive encampment, bazaar, and living quarters are now nearby neighborhood. False structure and scaffolding were constructed around the Taj Mahal throughout different conflicts to confuse German, Japan, and Pakistani bomber pilots. The Taj Mahal is actually cracking at an alarming rate due to lack of groundwater beneath the structure. Wooden foundations, once submerged, are thought to be rotting. Even the miners are beginning to learn more. The Taj Mahal was declared one of the new 7 wonders of the world in 2007, receiving more than 100 million votes. Voting for Taj Mahal actually helped push to controversial internet and phone-based pod into the world spotlight. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, take care and good luck.